If your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is acting all weird because of wiring that just does not match up, you are definitely not alone. Wiring problems in HVAC systems can totally mess with how your unit responds, like the thermostat acting up or the fan just refusing to kick on. First off, always double-check the wiring diagram for your specific system before touching anything. This saves you from a headache later. When replacing parts or upgrading, try to stick with compatible components designed for your setup. If you spot any frayed or damaged wires, swap those out right away to avoid shorts or failure. Use a multimeter to test voltage and continuity so you know the wiring is actually doing its job. Label your wires during installation or repairs, so next time it's easier to track what's what. If the wiring colors don't match between old and new parts, don't just guess. Consult the manual or a pro. Lastly, don't try to save a few bucks by cutting corners on wiring jobs. Bad connections can lead to bigger system breakdowns. One of the biggest issues people face with HVAC wiring mistakes is connecting incompatible wires that cause the system to misread signals, which usually leads to the unit not turning on or shutting off randomly. To fix this, always verify wire compatibility and connection points using manufacturer guides. Another common problem is mixing up low voltage and high voltage wires, which can fry components or trigger safety switches. Double-check wire gauges and labels before hooking anything up. Lastly, skipping proper grounding can cause electrical shocks or system malfunctions, so make sure every part is grounded according to code and manufacturer instructions. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding trusted local HVAC contractors way easier by letting homeowners connect with pros who know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors get work by matching them with people who really need reliable home project help.